Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix comments not showing issue on Instagram. So guys, if you're trying to open comment section on Instagram but the comments are not showing up, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply open your app store or play store and then search here for Instagram. So guys, here is it, and you have to simply update your Instagram app to the latest version from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply open your Instagram and then go to your profile and then tap on three lines button and then scroll it below all the way, and here you have to tap on help button. So guys, after this tap on report a problem and then you have to tap on report problem without shaking, and here you have to simply include that screenshot as well of that problem. Tap on include and continue, and from here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Instagram team. So guys, they will review this issue and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.